And we're gonna go ahead and wrap our legs while that's freezing. So I have my orange fondant for his legs, and I'm going to roll out a piece. So I'm going to roll this out, and I'm going to give it a straight edge like that.
With an actual pizza cutter.
With an actual pizza
I saw
cutter.
that.
And I'm going to just spray the piece here, because I don't want to spray that because I don't want to get my black fondant wet. So I can see the leg is about this big, so I'm going to go ahead and cut it almost to that size. I'm just roughing it. So I can take this now, and I'm going to wrap it around here.
Your sizing was really just the eyeball.
Yeah.
Eyeballing it.
And I'm going to have to take my scissors. He's going to have a seam because, you know, it's the back. And cut the back seam. Get that back in there. But again, it's the back, so nobody's going to see it. And that's just how you cover his leg. And then I'm going to kind of push it up into the black a little bit, so it looks like one piece. Okay, and then I can feel here with my scalpel, which I lost. There it is. And I can feel my edge here, and I'm just going to cut around that.
Right at the edge of the
PVC pipe.
PVC pipe.
So that's one leg. And we're going to do that with the other leg while our thing is in the freezer.
Okay.
Okay.
Do we leave the plastic wrap on here and everything?
Yeah, I'm leaving it because I'm waiting until I get to, and I'm not going to go all the way down because remember,
right, you still have a foot.
I have the foot is going to come here,
and
we're going to build up
we're
going to build up the snow around him.
Got it.
Okay.
Yeah, and for those of you who are so inclined, I'm sure you can embed the phalange. You could.
Yes.
Stick a hole in the board. That's a whole lot more work
whole lot more work
than building a little patch of snow,
Yeah.
which is super easy compared to drilling a hole.
Well, and if
all
you're
that kind of
if you're embedding it, this is such a thin board that you'd have
Yeah.
to, and the flange was that deep. So embedding it is going to be a real bear, and
Yeah.
you don't want to have to do that if you don't
Yeah.
if you don't need to.
It's possible. It's just 100 times more work.
Exactly. Why would you?
Yeah.
When you can have him, and also it creates atmosphere for him.
A little Atmo for the penguin.
Yeah.
Because he's got a little mound of snow.
Oh, this is okay. My scalpel is dirty, so I'm putting it in a little bit of my Crisco, and I'm going to take a paper towel.
Be vegetable shortening for
Vegetable
those
shortening.
non-Americans.
And then
Okay.
cleaning it.
Careful when you clean it.
Yeah.
It will go through paper
It will
pretty
go
quickly.
through everything. All right, so let's
Yeah.
put that back there. Okay. So there's my other leg, and then I know the foot's going to be right around here.
Let me show the picture again, because I just want them to see. Want them to see the as you're doing that.
Yeah.
That he really is standing on a little tiny mound. You see that? There you go. And I think you drew in happy birthday or happy something.
Yeah, I put happy birthday in the snow.
Yeah, in the snow. He's
And I'll
standing
show
on a
you.
little mound. Probably didn't even notice that.
Actually, and I forgot about that, and I didn't leave room in the front to do that, but I can show you how to do that.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So there are two legs just on there for now, and now my hands, I've worked with orange.
Yeah.
I want to wash them before I pick up the white because white picks up everything.